Introduction to GRC, Governance, Risk Management, and Compliance in Cybersecurity. Key components and frameworks, NIST, ISO 27001, COBIT, and more. Understanding the role of governance in cybersecurity. Risk management strategies for cybersecurity threats. Compliance standards and regulations in cybersecurity. Implementing GRC tools and technologies for cybersecurity. Importance of continuous monitoring and assessment in GRC. Case studies, real-world examples of successful GRC implementation. GRC best practices for cybersecurity resilience. Future trends and innovations in GRC for cybersecurity. Understanding the role of governance in cybersecurity. Understanding the role of governance in cybersecurity.